Hello friends, today we'll see a lecture on chain code. So chain code means what? A boundary code which is formed by a sequence such as directional number, that is referred as chain code, and that chain code is also known as Freeman chain code. Now these chain code are used to represent a boundary which is nothing but a connected sequence of a straight line segment of a specified length and direction. So here it is shown as 4-way chain code and 8-way chain code. Depending upon the length and the direction, we are having this value 0, 1, 2, 3, and these are rotating anti-clockwise. For 8-way chain code also, it is varying from 0 to 7 in the anti-clockwise direction. Now we will see 4-direction chain code. As here it is mentioned as a shape, here shape is shown. Now this is as the starting point. Now we have to find the 4-way direction chain code for the particular shape. Now what we are going to do, so here it is a starting point, so we are moving the up direction. So for up direction, here we are having the value as 1. For this direction, the specified length is as 1. Then the shape is moving to the right, so for right we are having 0. Then again it is moving at up, so for up we are having the length as 1. Then again right we are having 0, and to the down we are having 3, again down we are having 3, then left we are having 2, left we are having 2. So when you do the 4-way connection, we'll be having the chain code as 1 0 1 0 3 3 2 2. That is the chain code for the particular shape using the 4 direction. Now if suppose we have to calculate the difference code, or it is also known as first difference code for the given shape, then what we have to do, we have to rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction. So here it is the 4-way connected code. Then we have to start from 2 to the 1. So from 2 to the 1 we have to move. So what rotation we require? So we are moving to the 2 to the 1. We have to rotate in what direction? We have to rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. So when we move from 2 to the 1, it required 1 rotation, 2 rotation and 3 rotation. So here it becomes 3. Then after this we have to start from 0 1 0 3 3 2. I will show you here. Let me just take the pointer option. So I have taken it as pen. So first we need to move from 2 to 1. So it is going to move from 2 to 1. So for 2 to 1 we require how much rotation? We require 3 rotation as the anti-clockwise direction. So we require 3 rotation. So here we got the value as 3. Then we have to move from 0 to 1, then 1 to 0. So for 0 to 1 we required again for 1 first we'll be having 1 to 0. So 1 to 0 we required 3, then 0 to 1 we required 1, then again 1 to 0 we required 3, 0 to 3 again we required 3, 3 to 3 it becomes 0, 3 to 2 it becomes 3, and 2 to 2 it becomes 0. So we'll be having this as a first difference code. As you can see here, start from this, while moving from 2 to 1 we'll be having 3 rotation, then 2 to 2 we'll be having 0 rotation, then 3 to 2. Here the sequence is going like this, start from here this code 2 to 1, then from you take it from this also 1 to 0, 0 to 1 and so on. That is the first difference code. Start from the last one, the first one, then first to second, second to third, third to fourth and so on. This is using 4-direction chain code and first difference code. Now we'll be seeing for the 8-direction chain code. So here the arbitrarily starts from this point. So here we have to move like this, okay, then we have to move like this, then we have to move like this, this becomes your code. I am showing you right now. This is your shape. this becomes your shape. So when you move from here to here, we'll be having it as 0. From here to here, we'll be having it as 7. Then 6, 6. See this direction. 7 means this direction. 6 means this direction. Here it is 4. Then here direction is what? Here direction is 5. Again this direction is 3. Then here it is 2. Here it is 1. Here again it is 2. Here again it is 1, 2, and so on. So this is 8 connected core. Now when we have to find the difference, so we have to start from 2 to the 0, then 0 to 7, then 7 to 6. What rotation you required, you have to write that. That is the first difference. Then 6 to 6, again 6 to 6, again 6 to 6, 6 to 6, 6 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 3, 3 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 1, and last 1 to 2. That much rotation you required. That becomes your first difference code. Now after chain code, first difference code, we need to find shape number for the particular shape. So shape number of a boundary is defined as the first difference of a smallest magnitude. So whatever the difference we are having, we have to take the smallest magnitude from that first difference. Now the order n of a shape number is defined as the number of digits in its representation. So what number of digits the shape contain, it will becomes the order for the particular shape. So as I have shown here the shape number is, here the shape is there, and for this shape order is 4. So 4 numbers are there. So digits required to represent a particular shape, that is nothing but the order for the particular shape. So we have to move in 4-way direction. So starting point is given as a dark point. So here we can move. So it becomes 0. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. And here it is 1. That is chain code. Now difference what? We have to move from 1 to 0. Then 0 to 3. 3 to 2. And 2 to 1. When I am moving from 1 to 0, I require 3 rotation. When I move from, it is anti-clockwise. When I move from 0 to 3, again I require 3. Then 3 to 2, again I require 3. 2 to 1, again I require 3. Now shape number, I have already told you, shape number is the smallest difference of a first difference. So the first difference is showing as 3, 3, 3, 3. So there is no smallest magnitude here. So we will be having shape number as similar as that of first difference. Now as you can see here, the order 6 is there. That means number of digits to represent the particular shapes are 6 numbers. So the order becomes 6. So here we have calculated the chain code 0. Then here it is 0. Then here it is 3. Then 2. Again it is 2. Then again it is 1. Then first difference, move 1 to 0, then 0 to 0, 0 to 3. What rotation you require, you calculate. So here it is 3, 0, 3, 3, 0, 3. Now for this first difference, here first smallest difference is what? 3. So it becomes like this. You take 0 onwards this number as it is, and 3 it is going to the last. So we'll be having 0, then this 3 here, 0, 3, and the first number it is going to be last. Similarly we need to find for this order 8 shape. So chain code we are finding here, chain code also we have find here, and we have found here chain code, then first difference and shape number. Now we'll take one example and we'll find how to calculate the shape number smallest, that is smallest difference, first difference and the chain code. So I am taking the example as, so this is as an example, and here this is as a starting point. So first I need to find the shape number as. sorry, chain, I need to find the chain code. So chain code, here I have to move like this, so it becomes 2, again it becomes 2, again it becomes 2, then here it is 1 1 0, down 3, again it is 0, again it is 1 up, then 0, down 3 and 3. That becomes your chain code. Now the first difference is what? The first difference is how much rotation you require, moving from 3 to 2, then 2 to 2. So 3 to 2 I require 3 rotation, 2 to 2 I required 0, again 2 to 2 I required 0. So we'll be getting the first difference like this. Now the shape number, here smallest magnitude is 0, so this number will be having like this, and 3 it is going to the last, so we'll be having like this. This number will be having like this, and 3 it is going to the last. Next shape is like this. So here it is represented as in 4-way chain code, and this shape we have to represent it as a 8-way chain code. So starting point is given as this one, so we have to find first chain code. So we'll be getting the chain code as, here it is 0, then 7 7, all it becomes 7, here it becomes 4 3 4 5 4, and all these values are becomes 1. This is the chain code. Now for first difference, again what rotation you require to move from 1 to 0, then 0 to 7, that is, so for moving from 1 to 0 we require 7, then 0 to 7 also we require 7, and so on. And first difference, so here the smallest number is, smallest magnitude is what? Smallest magnitude is 0, so this part will be having first, and this 7 7 will be at the end. So that is your shape number. So that's all. Thank you very much.